Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to use Hacoo app. First of all, open the Hacoo app on your device. Then, sign up for an account. I've already signed up. It's an app where you can buy clothes, shirts, shoes, or anything related to lifestyle. Now search for your preferred product. Once you've selected a product, scroll down a little and tap the Buy Now button. After that, tap the Add to Cart button at the bottom right corner. This will prompt you to select a style and size. Then tap the Confirm button and the product will be added to your cart. If you'd like to see product reviews, tap the comments icon at the bottom and check out the reviews yourself. When you're ready to place the order, go back to the app's homepage and tap the cart icon. Then select Checkout and enter the required details to complete your order. And that's it. That's how you use the Hacoo app. Thanks for watching another video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.